Yes, we carried that entire press conference, by the way, live here on KTVN. That started at about 1 o'clock and it ran more than an hour. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ryan Canada. Kristen's on assignment the rest of the night. Thanks for keeping it here. The governor and his team say there's still not a clear motive for the attack, but they do know that there was a data breach of some kind. Jaden Urban joins us now here in the studio after listening in to the press conference. Jaden, a lot to take in, but what were some of the highlights?
Yeah, in terms of state agencies and infrastructure, there is some progress based around law enforcement systems and with internet connection. But one of the first things that was addressed today was the absence of the governor at yesterday's press conference. One of the burning questions from yesterday's press conference on the state cyber attack was, where's the governor?
Yesterday, I traveled to Elko, Eureka, and Ely for pre-planned events in order to meet with local government officials and constituents to discuss emergency management and economic issues.
The governor says he's had constant communication with staff about the ongoing issues, and today he wanted to address the issues the state's been dealing with since the cyber attack on Sunday.
This press conference is not intended to address my absence. I'm here, I'm taking care of business, and am never swayed from my responsibility as your governor. This press conference is to provide the constituents of the state of Nevada our current situation with state resources.
The governor says that they are working to find the motive of the attack. They have not shared any leads on who is responsible, but says that there is a safety net.
No absolute policy, but all those are under consideration. We do have an insurance policy that helps us in that decision making, but we evaluate the need to rebuild versus to pay a ransom at any time.
Some other updates today included that state law enforcement agencies restored the ability to run background checks and access to criminal histories. They also stressed that state employees will still be getting paid. The DMV says that it's also working on plans to help folks get access as soon as possible, but is warning the community of scams.
Important note, we are asking the public to be very cautious of any services, third-party industry members that are stating that they can perform DMV services or really any other state agency services for that matter during this outage. If we are shut down, they also cannot perform these services.
The DMV says that once they're back online, they're hoping to use Wednesdays to take on a bulk of the missed appointments. And government officials are pointing people to call the 211 hotline if they have any questions, or visit the website for the most up-to-date information. And we have that located on our website, 2news.com. Covering the story, Jaden Urban, 2 News Nevada.